The WaterCom software is available for documenting the saved measurements from the AQUAPHON A200, the SeCorr C200 and the SeCorrPhon AC200. You can also create measurement reports with the WaterCom software. Make sure that your computer is connected to the internet. Before using for the first time, you should save the recurring information in the software. For this reason, when you start the software for the first time, the information that is useful for generating printed reports is entered in a dialog. You can now store all the information you want. Start by choosing the logo you want on the protocols. To do this, click the button to the right of the standard Severin logo. Now select your logo from the desired location. Now create your user data. The information you define here appears in the printout of the protocols as a kind of letterhead. Click the corresponding button to enter your data and make your specifications. Now determine the first recipient of a measurement protocol. If you are a service provider, you can of course supplement your customer data later with our recipients of protocols. Click on the Enter Customer button. Then click on the plus button. You can make your entries in the dialog that opens. The description field is filled automatically, but can also be changed manually afterwards. Confirm your details and the information will be saved. Now determine what additional information you would like to specify in the signature area of the protocols. Click the button. Set the default value and confirm your entries. Now select the default for the current position of a measurement. This position is used to mark the measurement on a map if no position of the radio transmitter RT200 or the receiver AC200 could be determined, or the receiver A200 does not have an integrated GNSS module. Define the desired position. Finally, you can set the default location for the PDF files created. To do this, click on the button for directory selection and make your specifications. Then confirm your specifications by clicking on OK. The software is now configured and ready for use. Now connect the AC200 to the computer via USB. Windows now recognizes the AC200 as a connected mass storage device, as you know it from a USB stick, for example, and opens Windows Explorer. You can close this window at any time. The AC200 display now shows the communication mode. Now click on the symbol at the top left in the WaterCom toolbar to read out the connected device. You can now select which measurements you want to read in the Read Device Data dialog. Confirm your selection. In the subsequent query, you can decide whether the measurements should be deleted from the receiver after the data transfer. Make your selection. The measurements are downloaded. In the left area of the software, you can now see all measurements due for documentation. Now click to select a measurement for which you want to create a report. The preview dialog appears. Here you can determine the position of the measurement based on Google Maps. If positions were already available during the measurement, the map view is centered on the saved area. Otherwise, you will see the standard position that you specified when you started the program for the first time. You can display the preview in the map view or switch to satellite view. Now click on the position button. You can now move or zoom the map to the desired area and position the symbol flags precisely using drag and drop. If you confirm the positions with OK, you will return to the preview. You can replay the stored sounds at any time. To do this, click on the Play Wave button. Please note that your computer must have a sound card for this. The views made in the preview are transferred to the protocol in the middle area of the software after clicking OK. The letterhead and footer are created according to your specifications. Depending on the type of measurement, different templates are used to display the measurement data and additional information. Regardless of the data read from the receiver, you can make an individual note for each measurement which is saved with a protocol. In it, you can, for example, provide information about the repair or add information that was forgotten on site when saving. Now press the Create PDF button. The software now creates a PDF file at the default location. The documentation is complete. The SeCorrPhon AC200. Professional, flexible, intelligent.